Okay, we've got a question where we've got 4 points. We've got to find 4 gradients. So we're going to do lots of calculations of the standard template. So it's a 2-point method for gradients. So what I want to see for each one is a subtraction divided by a different subtraction. Be really careful with your signs and get 4 different answers. Okay. Part B, we've got to give a name to the quadrilateral PQRS. Well, in all cases like this, then sketching it would be a good idea. But it's likely that we're going to have to use what we did before. So what do you notice about some of the gradients you've got here? So if you have a collection of gradients, things you can watch out for are parallel gradients, okay, and perpendicular gradients. So maybe you'll discover that some of the lines, the sides of this quadrilateral are parallel to each other. You might find that some are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so there are kinds of quadrilaterals, you know, that have parallel sides and perpendicular sides. Just possibly, though, it's not till part C that we have to find some lengths. A sketch may help you completely nail together part B. You might be interested in lengths of sides, just to check. So you're going to have to find a length SR. So there's a 2-point method for lengths, which has got some brackets in being squared and put a square root over everything. So use your standard template for your notes. You might want to compare lengths of some sides just to check the precise type of quadrilateral it is, to make sure you don't miss out on shapes that have equally sides. And then in part D, we've got to, it's a show that question. That means that this is going to be our end point. Okay, so what's our start point? Well, we've got the equation of SR. SR is a line. So this is the equation of a line. So we're going to need a point. This is the template for an equation of a line, a point and a gradient, and the y minus y1 recipe. Okay, and then once we've got that equation from the y minus y1 recipe, this is the form we need to get it into without cheating. So that should be all right.